So over here you can see that I have some video clips, and in my case in one page right here I only have one video. But you can also go around and add in multiple videos to a single piece and then make them look interesting by adding in animations to them. So for that, I'm going to click on the add new page button right here, and then I'm going to go around onto videos. So once I go around over here, I'm just going to go around and search for term, let's say for example teacher right here. So let's say I'm editing education related videos, so I'm just going to go around and keep teacher right here. So now you can see that there's a bunch of videos that popped up, but they are all paid right here. So let me just go around and say classroom right here. So classroom, and press enter, and let's see what we have. So we got some video clips of this style studying now. So let's say I'm going to go around, bring in this video clip right here and click on confirm, bring in another video clip on the same page and click on confirm over here as well. So you can see that this is what you have. You got two videos on the same page now, and you can go around, bring in this as well and click on confirm, and then I'm going to go around and bring in this one as well. And then I'm just going to go around and confirm this. So you can see that I got 4 video clips now. So let me just go around over here and then just double click outside and then snap it over here in place, snap it over here. Let me just snap these videos all together right here, just like this. So once I do that, I can simply go around over here and then resize it out right here so that I can just go around and keep them all together like this. So this is what you have. So this is the last page, that is page 6. So let me just go around, click and drag it in the beginning right here, and that is what you have, as you can see. And now I can just go around and trim out the video in certain section as well. So let me just go around and collapse this, and then I'm going to drag in this timeline cursor around over here. And then I'm just going to go around and click on the 3-dot button and split the page right here. So this page right here, I'm just going to go around and delete it because I don't need that length. So if I were to play this now, you can see that there's 4 videos on that particular single page, and then after that the other video shows up. So we got our 4 videos right here. So apart from that, what we can do is we can add in animations to them. So let's say I'm going to go around, add in a move over here from the right, and this one I'm just going to go around and move from the right here, and just like this you can see that that is the video clip right there. And then I'm just going to go around and close this, so you can see that there's animation on both of them. So over here I'm going to go around, and then for this one let me just go around and add in move right here again, and this is going to be from the bottom right here. So I'm just going to go around and say bottom left, just like this. And then I'm going to go around over here and add in animation to the final one right here. So that is what you have. So I'm just going to go around over here and then click on animate. And then I'm going to go around and say move again. And then I'm going to say from bottom right. So this is what I have, as you can see. So if I were to go around, press the play button, you can see that there's the animation, there's the video, and we added in both the in and out for the animation, so it goes around like that as well. Then you got the other clip right there. So that is how you can see that you can add in multiple videos and add in animations to them to make them interesting inside of VistaCreate. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.